This is a test of Citrix share file for SCHN. URL schn.sharefile.com. Click on employee login. That will send you back to the NetScaler gateway for AAA authentication. Email address is the login. Password. It's a nice and very secure one, that one I can tell you. Okay, this will sign you in to our shares, network connectors, shared folders, personal folders. Let's just start off with the share folders. So these short share folders here, you can create whichever folders you like, and you can say where they live. So I'll just put in a test2, and you can say that they live in the private cloud, which is our storage zone controller. You can also add people to that if you want to. It's just test, create folder. There we go. Here is all the functionality: create a document, PowerPoint presentation, Excel file, etc., etc. Click create document. Oops. Okay, create. Now, even though this looks like Office 365, it's not. We've got two Office Online servers on-prem that we're doing some tests on. Don't be fooled where it says Word Online. This is SCHN homegrown stuff, yeah? You can edit the document. Feels the same as Office 365. And it automatically saves. So you don't have to worry about going up here, clicking save, it automatically saves fantastically and simply and very easily. So as soon as you close that, the document will show up in that folder. And then you can go in and preview it, check it, move on from there. So this will open up. There you go. And in comes all these other options. You can email the Citrix, share, and here are all your options. So basically, one of these things that we can do now, we can email me when files access, send a copy to myself, require permission to log in, or then that's when you can choose all your options, view only, or you can even add encryption. So basically, long story short, when the email gets sent, it's fully encrypted. The user needs to decrypt it with their email address, first name, last name, or they can actually have to have an account to log in, which is very, very secure. So that's that. Moving on. There is other options. We can get this document. We can initiate for approvals and feedback. So if we need to get approval from the M's, colleagues, whatever, you can initiate a workflow. This will single sign you into there. Document will get attached. You can say get approval, get feedback. So we'll go in here and get approval. This should be fun. Add approver. Let's just put in an external one for now. Start fly. So that will pretty much send to the external party. They will go in and pretty much be able to approve, annotate that document, and move on from there. So we've already done some testing. We've got a few here. That's cool. Let's just move in and move on. So network shares. So let's just go into H drive. There we go. We've got some documents in here. So we go to docs. Just want to tell you the differences between using the shared storage zone versus the network connectors. Now, obviously, when you click on the document, you saw how it previewed, you can edit it. But when you're in the network connectors, that is not supported at this time, and I don't think there is a roadmap for it according to my trusty friends at Citrix. But what I have given you is the ability to check a file out. So if you want to work on a document that's on a share, you can check that file out. Then no one can edit that document, so on and so on. So check it back in, pretty much just upload the file, and you're good to go. Now, so that's how the check-in, check-out works. Moving in there. Now, everyone has been asking about Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, especially the OneDrive from Health. The one that we try and put in here and we don't have admin access to it. Thank you very much. Anyway, so just for the test, I've added my personal Dropbox in here. And you can see here that I've got all my Dropbox files in here, quite simply. And then we can control the DLP, what can be sent, what can't be sent. So it's very, very secure. You can see here you've got inbox. We've received some notifications. This is just people accessing files, etc., etc., etc. Moving on from there. Look, that is just a really quick share file web GUI demo, but there is just too much to talk about. Let's just keep it sweet, simple, and short. This is what share file web looks like. Any questions, let me know. Take care. Cheers, Jamie.